Now, I'm going to form a relation between basic angle and measuring angle. Okay? The relation between basic angle and measuring angle, I am going to calculate this thing now. Okay? Now I am going to form a relation of that one. Now, for instance, this one is your first quadrant, your second quadrant, your third quadrant, and your fourth quadrant. Okay? So now, what are you going to do? For instance, if I am saying, okay, bhai, form the relation between basic angle and measuring angle in first quadrant. So how will you do it? First of all, alpha. Alpha will be the angle from the closest x-axis, that is coming alpha. And for measuring angle, what will I do? I will say angle from x-axis. So you can see that both are going to be equal. Okay, the distance is going to be same. So I can say that now I will be making it in two different forms. One is in degree and one is in radian. Okay, so for degree in first quadrant, your measuring angle will be equals to your basic angle. First quadrant, your measuring angle will be equals to your basic angle. Okay? Now, for instance, I have got a line over here. So what will be the basic angle? The basic angle will be closest to nearest x-axis. So now the nearest x-axis is this, but measured angle from positive x-axis. Okay, this is the measured angle and this is the basic angle. How will I do the relation? See, you can see this one, that if I will add this measured angle with this alpha, the whole thing will become 180 degree. If I add this one with this one, it will become a straight line and the whole angle will become 180 degree. So in second quadrant, what I can do over here, in second quadrant, I can say theta plus alpha equals to 180 degree. I can say theta plus alpha equals to 180 degree. Okay, or I can say it in this way also, that theta will be 180 minus alpha. Okay, either I can say theta plus alpha equals to 180, or I can say, if I will shift alpha over here, theta equals to 180 minus alpha. Okay, when I will do the same thing in radian, then what will happen? If I will do the same thing in radian, so see, theta plus alpha equals to, in radian it will be equals to pi. In radian it will be equals to pi. So what I can say over here, theta equals to pi minus alpha. This can be a relation over here. Okay, so now this one, what will be the measured angle? Basic angle. Basic angle will be this one to the closest x-axis. Okay, and measuring angle will be this whole that is going to be measured angle. Now we are talking about third quadrant right now. We are talking about third quadrant. So what will I do? See, starting from here till this point, this whole is theta. This whole is theta. And from theta, if I will subtract alpha from this theta, if I will remove this alpha, what will be left? This is whole theta. I am removing this alpha from the theta. So what is left over here? It's a straight line which is left over here. So in the third quadrant, I can say theta minus alpha equals to 180 degree. Okay. Or theta minus alpha equals to pi. By looking at this thing, this is whole theta. If I will subtract alpha from there, so theta minus alpha, this is coming equals to 180 degree or it is coming equals to pi. So in order to form your relation, you can write it in this way also. 180 plus alpha. Theta equals to 180 degree plus alpha, or theta equals to pi plus alpha. This will be the relation for the third quadrant which you can use over here. Now, this is the fourth quadrant. Okay. So, basic angle nearest to from nearest x-axis, that will be known as alpha. And for measuring angle, I will start from the line and I will go till the positive axis. This will be known as theta. Your dotted line is your measured angle and this one is your alpha. Okay. Now you can see if I add this one and this one in the fourth quadrant, if I add them, it will be equals to what? If I add this theta and this basic angle, if I add them, it is coming equals to what? Can you see that? It is coming equals to theta plus alpha is coming equals to 360 degree, or theta plus alpha is coming equals to 2 pi. So in order to form my relation, I can write it 360 minus pi minus alpha, 360 degree minus alpha, or I can say 2 pi minus alpha. This is the relation which you can use in the fourth quadrant. All quadrant relations are written in front of you. This is for degree and this is for radian, depending on what type of angle range is given to you.